day by day, night by night, kiss by kiss, touch by touch, step by step, I fall in love. A love so incomprehensible, so vivid, so unique, so wild, that not even the region of God could control a passion so deep, a need so necessary, a want so strong, the universe would not handle. I love you today, I will love you tomorrow, I will love you forever. When nights are long and friends are few, I sit by my window and think of you, a silent whisper, a silent tear. Oh, my love, I wish you were here. All the love that history knows. I say to be in every rose, eat all that could be found into is less than what I feel for you. Though miles come between us and distance keeps us apart, nothing can ever change the love inside my heart. I may not be there with you every minute of the day, but you are always here with me in at least 1,000 ways, whether it be a thought or a moment that we have shared. It only takes a second to get from here to there, though I cannot really feel you here at my side. It's always nice to know I have got these memories in my mind. 100 hertz would be too few to carry all my love for you. They who meet on an April night are forever lost in love. If there's moonlight all about and there's no moon above, will you love me in December as you do in May? Will you love me in the good old fashioned way? Then my hair has all turned grey. Will you kiss me then and say that you love me in December as you do in May?